Hi, I'm Spencer Lyon with the applications team at Lincoln Electric here. Today we're talking about our pipeliner ADR electrode here. So this is a AWS 8010-P1 electrode. So it's designed and has art characteristics for root pass applications similar to the renowned 5P Plus electrode that Lincoln Electric offers. ADR though has that 8010-P1 electrode classification, so for high strength piping applications across country pipelines, we can use this rod for root passes and potentially hot passes if you choose to do so. So we're going to show today myself welding a root pass with ADR using this 5/32 electrode, and then I'm going to show you guys a hot pass application right over top of that same root pass that I had just done. Let's get into it. Alright, we're going to do ADR with the 5/32 electrode here in the root pass. I'll show you guys this first. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so that was the root pass with ADR. I want to give this a quick grind, and then we're going to go over it with the hot pass. Alright, and I'm just going to be using the same 5/32 ADR electrode here for my hot pass now. Alright, here we go. So there you have it. We just showed you pipeliner ADR in a root pass, and then we covered it with a hot pass straight afterward. So for more information on the uses of pipeliner ADR, please visit lincolnelectric.com. Thanks.